Simulan sa listahan. As the decision maker in your business, have you ever listed every task that only you can do? Not what you assume, but what is truly only yours to decide. Let me tell you about Dennis. Si Dennis ay merong trucking and logistics business na kasama yung kanyang wife. Several years in, steady clients, consistent income. Pero lahat ng desisyon na sa operations dumadaan sa kanya. Kung aling truck ang papunta sa aling ruta, kung sinong driver ang mag-aasikaso ng aling client, kung tatanggapin ba ang bagong kontrata o hindi. His team was experienced but nothing moved without Dennis saying so. There came a time when he asked himself, if I could not come in for 30 days, ano yung sasabog? So he started listing down. Hindi siya huminto for a long time and then he asked one more. Which ones actually need my judgment and which ones just need a clear instruction anyone can follow? Yung question na yon changed everything for him. Karamihan sa mga dumadaan sa kanya araw-araw, hindi naman talaga kailangan siya. Kailangan lang ng malinaw na desisyon. He was the bottleneck, not because he was needed, but because nothing had been set up to work without him. Anak, ito ang lesson. A business leader's job is not to make every decision. It is to build a setup where the right decisions can get made even without him in the room. So here's what you can do. Ilista mo lahat ang mga tasks na dumadaan sa iyo. Which ones actually need your judgment and which ones kaya na ng iba. Basta may malinaw lang na instruction. I'm sure ayaw mo nang maging the only one who can move things forward. Tama? And remember, always be business-minded Pinoy. Nakakainis, no? May kakilala kang may negosyo. Hindi pa nga maayos ang products nila pero ang daming benta sa TikTok. Tapos ikaw, maganda ang products mo, nag-post ka, nag-try ka pero wala. Anak, hindi ka nag-iisa. The truth is, may bibili na sana sa'yo. Hinahanap ka nila pero hindi ka nila makita. And that's exactly what we are going to fix.
Every day, your customers are scrolling on TikTok. May nakita silang products and may pinipili silang bilhin. Ang tanong ko sa'yo, are they finding you? In this 4-hour workshop this May 13, live on Zoom, I'll show you how to use TikTok as a real system for sales. You'll walk away with your positioning, your 7-day plan, and your clear next steps na pwede mong i-execute immediately. You won't leave the workshop just feeling inspired kasi you'll leave the workshop knowing exactly what to do next.
That is exactly why I brought Coach Joshua in. He does not just teach TikTok, he helps businesses actually sell on TikTok. And if you sell products online or in-store, this is for you. Ready ka na bang makita and mapili? Register now, May 13, live on Zoom. See you there, anak!